Kain tayo! Hey Skye Zhia! Welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I've decided to make a mukbang video for you guys since kahapon nag-post ako ng binigdit video and may nag-comment na mukbang video naman next. Actually guys, nasubukan ko ng mag-mukbang video. Yung first na mukbang video ko was with Christian Leacy, the Spilling YouTube Drama Tea. Tapos yung second naman is yung Big McDonald's mukbang with my classmate. And then yung latest na mukbang video ko was reacting to your assumptions about us and mukbang video. It's a collab video with Rose Abao. So ngayon, ako lang talaga yung kakain and then hindi ako masyadong magsasalita since it's a mukbang video nga. And as you guys have noticed, medyo madaldal ako sa mga videos ko, but today I will try my best to just eat and not talk. So eto pala yung mga food na kakainin ko for today. So this is spam. Hindi ko siya pinacut kasi yung mga nakita ko na mukbang videos, yung spam na kinakain nila is buo and hindi nila pinapakot. Then may sauce tayo dito, soy sauce and suka with our kitchen's chili garlic oil. Ayan, super na-addict talaga ako nito. So ayan, medyo konti na lang siya. And mahilig talaga ako sa maaanghang. So here we have one sunny side up egg with seaweeds. Favorite ko talaga yung, oh my gosh, yung hangin. Favorite ko talaga yung seaweed. And then here we have Jajangmyeon or black bean noodles with seaweed again. Tapos eto naman is lumpia. I think this is taugi pero inside is vegetables and ham. Tapos we have here watermelons for my dessert. Then for my drinks, we have here Gatorade. Ayan. And then Pimi water. Para in case mabulunan ako, may water tayo dyan. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's eat. By the way, shout out sa aking auntie kasi siya yung nagluto ng lahat ng to. So by the way, ito na pala yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner ko for today. Kasi medyo marami din siya and kailangan natin ubusin. Kasi patay tayo kay Mother Bell pag hindi ito naubos. Wait. Diyan muna yan. Medyo nag-dry up na siya. Kain tayo! Opa! Yung aso ko pala guys nandito. Humihingi ng pagkain. Busog na ako, guys. Oh my gosh. And hindi ko na kaya.
So, what do you want to display, babe?
Ha? Oo.
Turut na.
Purot ba? Napay spam.
Yan. Ano ka, pinakuha mo kaon mo.
Naki ko ang
Ang sama mo na eh.
seaweed. Ang lumpia may utda.
Ano pinakuha ka?
Dala na. Spam, ano mo kong kaon?
Hindi sila, rapita na po sa iyo ng ano. Kung sa'yo mo. Kinabuhay.
By the way, shoutout pala kay Noel Chad kasi siya yung nag-request ng video na to. So, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating mukbang video. As you can see, hindi ko po siya naubos lahat kasi kapag pinilit ko pa, baka pumutok na po yung chan ko, no? So, yung natira ko is 1/4 ng spam, 1/4 ng black bean noodles since dalawa yung niluto namin and hindi ko na talaga siya kaya, best. And then, 1 lumpia and watermelon. By the way, naka 2 rounds pala ako ng Gatorade. Ayan. Super sarap. Tapos, yung seaweed, hindi ko din siya naubos. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on TikTok because I post videos there twice a day. I'll see you guys next time and don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.